Hi, here to share with you this great Multijoy bike. I'm really in love with it. Got it now. It's great for all the conditions, summer, winter, fall. I'm going to show you here riding it in the snow. We have a couple inches of snow and ice, so it performs really well on any conditions. And I'm going to take a ride on it and show you how great it works. So if you're looking for a great electric bike, I recommend this one. Got the nice big tires. You can see the nice grip on here. Even in these slippery winter conditions I'm riding it now, it's great. Doesn't slip at all. I feel comfortable going down hills, making all the corners. Just a great balance to these bike. Nice big tires on here. And if you're looking for a great e-bike, check it out.